Heritage taking part in a celebration of culture in South Florida last night, and this jam session has some star power leading the way.
7 Shireen Sandoval is in Little Haiti, where all the fun is taking place.
Singing sensation Wyclef Jean electrifying the crowd Friday night in Little Haiti. His performance paying tribute to the one-year anniversary of Sounds of Little Haiti, a cultural festival celebrating Haitian Heritage Month.
Little Haiti, celebration, 1804, baby. Very happy to see Wyclef.
The singer, who was born in Haiti, immigrating to the U.S. when he was 9, taking the stage, performing some of his biggest hits. Earlier, 7 News catching up with the singer for a one-on-one.
The history with Little Haiti, for me, start off as a young Fuji, you know what I mean? I've been coming since I've been like 19, 18 years old.
Showing his pride, Wyclef wearing this Haitian flag as a bandana. Wyclef even posing with a fan dressed as Captain Haiti.
Yeah, I couldn't even make this up. So you come back home and you see all of this incredible development, and to know that the community is still part of it.
Early Friday, final preps being put into place for hundreds of people.
It's an outdoor festival with an art component, family friendly, great atmosphere, and the hottest thing happening in the heart of Little Haiti.
Shireen Sandoval, 7 News.